the two quantities written one above the other that show how much of a good thing you have. The bottom part is called denominator and the top part is called numerator. Our given is 3 over 5 plus 4 over 5. First, we're going to add our numerator. 3 plus 4 equals 7, and we have the same denominator, so we can copy it. So our answer is 7 over 5. Our given is 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9. So first, we're going to minus our numerator 7 minus 2 equals 5 and copy the denominator. So our final answer is 5 over 9. Fraction multiplication. Our given is 1 over 6 times 2 over 5. So we can simplify 2 and 6. So 6 will be 3 and 2 this will be 1. And next is we're going to multiply our numerator. 1 times 1 equals 1 and 3 times 3 equals 9. So our final answer will be 1 over 9. Fraction division. Our given is 3 over 5 divided by 2 and we will apply the reciprocal so it will be 1/2. 3 times and we will replace our division to multiplication. So 3 times 1 equals 3 and 5 times 2 equals 10. So our final answer will be 3 over 10.
Decimal number is often used to mean a number that uses a decimal point followed by digits that show a value smaller than odd. Our given is 1.452 plus 1.300. So first, you can add the last number. 2 plus 0 equals 2, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, if you want to solve the given, you can line up the decimal point on multiplying decimal. So we have 3.77 times 2.8. First, multiply the 7 and 8 is equal to 56. Carry 5, bring down 6. Next is 7 times 8 is equal to 56 plus 5 equals to 61. 6, bring down 1. Next is 8 times 3 is equal to 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. Next is 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Carry 1, bring down 4. Then 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Then plus 1 equals to 15. Bring down 5. Carry 1. Next is 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Plus 1 is equal to 7. So let's add. 6 bring down 6 and 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 7 is 10. So we need to do is look how many numbers on one to the right of a decimal. And so we have 1, 2, and then the 1 is, we have 1, and the total number is 3. So, into your answer, you move to the right to the left, 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal point. And the final answer is 10.556. Subtracting decimal. Our given is 8.97 minus 2.82. And one thing you have to remember for a subtracting decimal is that must be in the straight line, the decimal point. First, subtract the last number. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And the last, you can line up the decimal point on your final answer. Dividing decimal. Our given is 8.6 divided by 2. The 8.6 is, let's put on the inside, and the 2 is on the outside. Before that, you can line up the decimal point on the top. So, 2 divided by 8 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So our final answer is 4.3.
Percent is a ratio whose second term is 100. Percent means parts per hundred. The word comes from the Latin phrase per centum, which means per hundred. In mathematics, we use the symbol percent for percent.
Dividing a decimal. Example, we have 3 divided by 20%. First, we need to write the 20% to 20 over 100. And then we need to get the reciprocal of it. So we write 3 times 100 over 20. To get easier, we change the 100 over 20 to a 5 because 100 over 20 is equivalent to 5. So that 3 times 5 is equivalent to 15. Oh, that's the answer. Adding a percentage. Example, we have 45% plus 30%. First, we need to add the numbers. 45 plus 30 is equivalent to 75. So copy the percentage 75% or simple 75 over 100. Subtracting decimals. Examples, we have 95% minus 25%. First, we need to subtract the numbers. 95% minus 25% is equivalent to 70% or simple 70 over 100. Multiplying percentage. Example, we have 25% times 30%. First, we need to change the percentage to a decimal. So we have 0.5 times 30. Then we need to multiply it. So 0 times 5 is equivalent to 0, and 0 times 2 is equivalent to 0, and 0 times 0 is equivalent to 0. Then 3 times 5 is equivalent to 15, and carry 1, and 3 times 2 is equivalent to 6 plus 1, so 7. Then 3 times 0 is equivalent to 0. Then we need to add the all numbers we get. Then 0, bring down 0, and 5 plus 0 is equivalent to 5, and 7 plus 0 is equivalent to 0. Then bring down the 0 again. So that's the answer, or simply